Choosing the right restoration company is crucial. Our experts at Dry Kings Restoration are a trusted resource when it comes to building damage recovery. Here are the essential factors to consider when choosing a building restoration partner. First, choose a company with a local presence and a deep understanding of the area. A local restoration company is going to be better equipped to understand your specific challenges that you might face with your property. Trained and certified professionals ensure that the job is done efficiently and effectively. Choosing a licensed provider gives you peace of mind to know that you have trusted professionals at work. A timely response is crucial when it comes to building damage emergencies. Make sure to choose a company that offers 24/7 emergency services and is able to dispatch a crew within the hour. Timely response will minimize secondary damages. One of the most important factors is a customer-centric approach. Make sure that you choose a company that has your best interest in mind. Transparent pricing and open communication are vital. Choose a company that offers clear pricing upfront and keeps you informed throughout the whole process. Selecting the right restoration company is the first step in the protection and the full recovery of your building, so make sure to choose wisely. If you have any questions in regards to building damage restoration, water damage, fire damage, or mold damage recovery, don't hesitate to reach out and contact us, and our experts will make sure to guide you to the best possible outcome. Dry Kings Restoration, restoring livelihoods, one building at a time.